Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Does your BMW X5 need some new wiper blades? So we really like to use the original BMW wiper blades on our BMW vehicles because we know that they're going to fit really well and be an excellent quality, and these are no different. So the nice thing about getting these shipped to the door is that we can install them ourselves. It is so easy. So basically all you need to do is lift up a little tab on the wiper blade and pop it onto the hook on the wiper arm itself. Literally, this process to change both of these wiper blades took less than 5 minutes. It is no problem at all. So even if you are not an experienced mechanic, you will be able to handle this. Super easy. So of course they work really, really well. They do an excellent job of clearing the windshield, and we are super happy with the way that this turned out and the fact that we could get it done at home in the driveway in 5 minutes and have an excellent result. So that is what we like about these wiper blades, and that's my point of view.